So you're all looking for downloader codes. We get many people commenting, whether it's in the groups, whether it's in our chats, whether it's underneath these videos, for the best downloader code. So I'm going to give you 5 downloader codes, and actually we're going to give you 6. We're going to give you 1 bonus code at the end as well for loads of different content. So the tricky thing is, when you have a large audience like we do, is trying to deliver the correct audience, the correct downloader codes for the correct countries, the correct users, and what you're looking for. So let's give you loads. First things first, if you're brand new here, make sure you hit that follow button and let us know where you're from. Let's see where around the world we are actually going. For those of you who don't know, this way here, down there, this is Downloader, okay? Downloader is an Android application where you can open up stores where you can type in a code and you can get applications you are looking for. So it helps you be able to install apps on, say, a Firestick, an Android TV box, a Google box, outside of their ecosystem. So we're going to go through the codes. And then at the end, I'll show you how to install Downloader on a Firestick. And the process will be very similar on an Android box and a Google TV box as well. So the first code today is my code. It will be my code to start with. There's no reason I wouldn't put mine first. So my code up here is 75726. Okay, 75726. On my link, you will type it in here. You type it in the top of Downloader here. I'll show you on the first one. Go at the top here. Type, you enter a code 75726. I won't show you this for all of them. And this will go through to my website, okay? On my website, you can get players, media players, apps, utilities, tools, everything you are looking for. And we've pushed some updates today as well for this, so you'll find all the apps you are looking for on my website. Some older devices do struggle with the downloads. Make sure you have a solid connection. There's links on there if you need anything, okay? So do check it out. And on my website as well, if you do use it outside of Downloader, we are currently running raffles and giveaways, giving away lots of tech, lots of stuff on this website. Okay, next up, the code we're going to give you this one. This one's slightly different, okay? So you enter it on Downloader again. This one is 4207212, okay? 4207212. And this one loads up a search engine, okay? This search engine, you type in the code, and once you're in the search engine, you type in what sort of app you're looking for, the name of the app, and it will drag from the internet. It drags from the internet different places you can download it from, which is quite a cool little, cool little idea if you ask me. So it'll be able to go there at 4207212, and then you can type in what app. Say you were looking for MX Player, type in MX Player, those sort of things. If you're looking for a certain streaming app, type it in, and it'll give you options, normally either to the official download source or from some of the other sites that you can get it from. So you can put that in there in App Loader. That's the App Loader site on 4207212. Thirdly, we are going for Tech Doctor UK's site. So on here again, 53402. Nice quick one, nice easy one. Great website when you get there. Tech Doctor UK's website will be very similar downloads to mine, a broad range of downloads you can get. So if mine's not working, his is a great one to go and try. He has a great range of IPTV players, media players, apps, launchers, all on his code as well. So that one is 53402. Next up for you is a good one, but it has, something some of you might want to avoid. So Fire TV sticks, this code here, over on this site is, let me remember the code, 28907. 28907. There's lots of apps on there, lots of downloads on there. Obviously, you need to check whether you've allowed them in your country. But on that one, the only downside is adverts, pop-ups, and you have to get a token and a pin to be able to access them. But if you don't mind all of that, and they're running around, which is that, check out the code of 28907, okay? 28907. You will most likely find what you were looking for, but it's a little bit more tricky with tokens and pop-ups. Whereas my site, Tech Doctor UK's site, you don't need that. So I'd recommend those two first. But then if you don't mind these tokens, check that one out. We're going to go in at number 5 before we give you a bonus one. Is 874521. This has been going for a while now. This is KP Fires, Kevin Porteous. Great. Used to have a great YouTube channel. He slowed up a little bit on the YouTube side of things. Does a lot over on Rumble. Great videos. But he brings you all the apps. And his are very good to download, but there's a lot of them, okay? So you do need to filter through a little bit of what's working, what's not. But it's a great list, and you're very much likely to find a lot of the updated stuff there. The KP Fires is 874521. If you're in doubt on any of these, just try them. Watch the video again, get the code you want, try it out. If it doesn't have what you're looking for, go back and try a different one. And finally, as a bonus one, we are going to give you Firestick Hacks. Firestick Hacks code is 730116. Again, a broad range, loads of applications, but whether you want to go through them all, there's a lot to search through to make sure you find the one we're looking for. But if you know what you're looking for, it's a great range. There's no ads on there or anything like that. It's a great site, nice and simple list. And the layout's not as good as Tech Doctor's or my own, mainly because just a different style of website. But it's all there. It's nice and easy to use, and it's a great one. So the codes from the beginning. My site, we're pointing up here now, 75726. App Loader, which is a search engine, 4207212. Tech Doctor UK 53402. Fire TV Sticks with the pop-ups and the token 28907. KP Fire 874521, and the bonus one of 730116. Remember, when you access any of these codes, you are downloading from third-party sources, and you're downloading most likely apps which are from third-party sources. So stay safe. Make sure you're running a VPN, and if you need one of them, there is one directly underneath for you as well. And make sure you are checking what you are downloading and it's correct. For those of you who need to get Downloader on your device, magnifying glass, just search Downloader. So go to your app store, search Downloader, click it, and install it. Not this one, which is really bad of 5.6 to do it. This one. This is the official one. Okay, make sure you get that symbol. Okay, and it's all good. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.